guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video slightly different from all my other videos. As you can see from the title above, this will be a DIY exfoliating face scrub kind of video. So the reason why I've decided to do this video is because I believe that if you really want to achieve that flawless look with makeup on, it always starts with skincare. And no matter how often you wash your face, your skin will still accumulate dead skin cells. So that will just leave your face looking dull with and without makeup. So the first step to unveiling new and beautiful skin starts with exfoliating. So today I'll be showing you 3 kinds of face scrub that will target acne-prone skin as well as dry skin, especially during the dry winter months that we are facing right now. So the thing about exfoliating is you only need to do it at most twice a week. You don't want to do it too much to irritate your skin. All we need are 2 to 3 ingredients that you can already find in your kitchen, except for maybe one. Side note, since we'll be using really natural ingredients and there'll be no preservatives added at all into the scrub, the shelf life for these products are actually pretty short compared to things that you can actually buy at a store. So I'd recommend that you keep the scrub in a cool, dry area for about like 3 days. 3 to 4 days max, because it might smell funky after a while. So I'd recommend actually smelling it before you actually apply it on your face. If it smells weird, just like toss it out and make a new batch. Also, if you're wondering why I make like really little batches at one go, is because, like I said, it doesn't really last long and you don't want to create too much of it and then waste it. So always start with a small amount and then use it, because I'm pretty sure you won't use a whole jar full of it in like 4 days, because you can't use it too much anyways. Alrighty, enough of rambling on my part. If you guys want to see how to create these 3 awesome face scrubs, then let's get started. So the first thing you'll need are 3 jars to contain the scrub. The first scrub that we'll be doing would be a honey lemon scrub. So honey, as you know, is naturally antibacterial, which is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is also full of antioxidants, which is great for slowing down aging, and is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. Lemon, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, which brightens and evens out skin tones, as well as lightening acne spots, age spots, and blemishes. Like honey, it is also antibacterial, which treats acne. It also has astringent properties, which act as good toner that balances out the pH in your skin and reduces shine and oiliness. Sugar exfoliates dead skin cells and reveal glowing, healthy-looking skin. It is also gentler and more hydrating than salt scrubs, which can cause microscopic tears in the skin and strip the skin of natural oils. Sugar also has glycolic and alpha-hydroxy acid, which breaks down the glue that bonds skin cells, encouraging cell turnover and generating fresher, younger-looking skin. To make the scrub, you'll need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So I use brown sugar, but you can feel free to use any kind of sugar you want. After this, you want to use 2 tablespoons of honey. So for the lemon, I'm just gonna cut it in half and then cut the ends of the lemon. And then with that lemon half, I'm just gonna cut it into 3 lemon wedge, and you're just gonna need 1 tablespoon of lemon. But if you feel like you want to make the scrub a little more liquidy, you can feel free to add more lemon juice. But just to let you know, lemon juice tends to dry out your skin a little bit and make your skin sensitive to the sun, so you might want to use sunscreen after that. So here I'm just mixing it all up and then pouring it into the little jar. Now onto the second scrub. Oatmeal is a natural humectant which helps the skin retain moisture. The granular texture of oatmeal also makes it a great exfoliant. It also helps the skin with eczema by moisturizing and restoring the skin barrier, reducing itching, and regulating inflammation. Oatmeal is also an antioxidant which helps with anti-aging by reducing the effects of UV rays and harsh chemicals. For this scrub, you'll need 4 tablespoons of oatmeal and 2 tablespoons of honey, and then you want to give it a nice little mix. So for the last scrub, you'll need pineapple, milk, and sugar. So I'm using almond milk here. You can use regular milk. I just feel that dairy triggers acne for me and maybe for some people, so I'm just switching it out to almond milk. It also helps really bring the moisture to skin and has skin lightening properties, and it also is a great antioxidant. So pineapple here is known to be a great enzyme exfoliator, and what that does is it actually digests and dissolves dead skin cells very gently without any physical abrasion going on. So you don't have to go out and get a pineapple like this. I don't know why I did that, but you can just buy sliced up pineapple and just use that as well. But I don't know why I thought this would be a great idea because I suck at cutting fruits. But anyways, you just want to cut off the ends of the pineapple, cut them to half, and remove the chunk in the middle that is too hard to use. And then you're gonna cut the sides into small pieces and scrape it right off. So over here I'm just dicing the pineapples into small pieces, and I mean you can use a blender. I don't know where mine was, so I'm just doing this, and then you're gonna mesh them up real good. And over here you need just 2 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of mashed up pineapple and 1 tablespoon of milk, and you just want to mix that all together and you've got your last scrub. So here are the 3 face scrubs that are great for acne-prone skin as well as dry skin during this season. So just grab your favorite scrub and scrub away and reveal that nice, glowing, smooth skin. So that's the end of this exfoliating DIY face scrub video. If you actually found this video super helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Do let me know down in the comments below what your favorite face scrub recipe is as well, so that I can try it out someday. I was actually thinking of creating like a series of DIY videos. If you guys want to see videos like that, just leave it down in the comments. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, stay tuned all the way to the end. I'll have 2 videos that will pop up right here. Apart from that, I have nothing else to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!